Greetings, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Earth's Medicine, where we explore the healing wonders of Mother Earth with a Jamaican flavor. If you're new to the channel, my name is Monique, and on here we strive to educate people like you on the health benefits and medicinal uses of plants that are grown in Jamaica and in other parts of the world. So consider subscribing. It's totally free. And turn on your post notifications so you'll get an alert when we upload our next video. So the mimosa tree is not merely a graceful ornamental tree adorning landscapes, but it also holds a treasury of medicinal properties. It has been revered in traditional medicine for centuries and has a long history of use in traditional Chinese medicine, where its Chinese names can be translated as quote-unquote happiness herb or quote-unquote collective happiness bark. So in today's video, we're pretty much going to be exploring its medicinal uses and health benefits, how to use it medicinally, where you can get its seeds and products to buy, and some precautions. So stick around for the next round. So the mimosa tree is one of the common names for a tree that is scientifically known as Albizia Loose. It's also commonly referred to as Albizia, a Persian silk tree, pink powder puff tree, and pink silk tree, among other common names, both in English and in other languages. It's a part of the pea family, so it's related to a lot of well-known plants like soybeans, peanuts, and lentils. Its place of origin is Asia, but it now grows in Jamaica and in other parts of the Americas, parts of Africa, Europe, and Oceania. So it's a fast-growing prolific tree that can grow to about 50 feet tall. It has leaflets that are fine and fern-like in appearance, and they are sensitive to touch, so they close when touched during periods of rain and at night time. The young leaves are edible and are eaten as a pot herb. It produces these showy, silky, watermelon pink puff flowers. So when it's in bloom, it literally looks like numerous cotton candies bursting from between its leaves. And these blooms have a really light and pleasant aroma. One writer described it as a combination of gardenia, sweet pea, and watermelon. Another described it as a bubbly and happy smell that lifts the spirits. The flowers are edible and can be eaten as a vegetable, and they have been used in aromatherapy. The tree also produces numerous seed pods. The mimosa tree has many cultivars, but the standard ones are the pink blossomed kind. It's widely planted as an ornamental tree in many countries, both in temperate to tropical countries. And here in Jamaica, you will see these trees growing along roadsides and in other green spaces. The parts of the plant that are used to make medicine are the bark, flowers, seeds, and leaves. In China, people refer to the plant as the tree of happiness, not only because of its presence, but also because of its medicinal uses. It has been said that the bark is thought to anchor the spirit, while the flowers lighten it, and that when they are used together, they are a balanced remedy for mood stabilization. In traditional Chinese medicine, the plant has a reputation of being an excellent herb for grief, sorrow, and despair, and is used as a tonic to alleviate symptoms of anxiety, stress, and depression. It is used for anyone who is suffering from grief as a result of a severe loss. The plant is believed to help calm the mind and promote restful sleep, and so it is sometimes used to treat insomnia derived from pent-up emotions and other sleep disorders. It's also said to be useful for irritability and anger feelings as a result of constrained emotions. Also, poor memory, physical weakness or a lack of energy, confusion, and a type of roundworm infection. It is applied to the skin to treat insect bites. The flowers have been used for the treatment of amnesia and a sore throat. The plant has pain-relieving properties and anti-inflammatory properties, and it has the ability to promote blood circulation, reduce swellings, and knit bones. So because of this, people use the bark for pain and swelling from trauma, including fractures. It is also used to promote the regeneration of flesh, and it has been said that it may be used for degenerative diseases of the joints and muscles. Also, because of its ability to reduce pain and swelling, it is said to be useful for abscesses such as lung abscesses and boils, and that it may be used for externally suppurative sores. The bark extract is applied to bruises, ulcers, abscesses, boils, hemorrhoids, and fractures. The bark may be used for external abscesses, carbuncles, and slow healing wounds. It is said that the bark can help stimulate skin elastin and collagen production, and that in addition to boosting blood circulation, it can reduce toxins and the visible signs of tired skin by reducing dark circles and restoring the under eye bags area. It is also known for its ability to protect skin cells by producing melatonin, which has strong antioxidant properties to help fight free radicals. The bark extract is used in the cosmetic industry and is also said to be useful for restoring the skin's natural beauty, elasticity, and evening its tone. The bark and leaves may be used topically to reduce inflammation and soothe skin irritations. It is said that the seed is used to make a poultice or a plaster, which is then placed on boils or abscesses where it draws out the pus. A cooled infusion is said to be useful as a skin wash and added to skin conditioning lotions to reduce inflammation and to clean the skin of excess oils. Some studies suggest that the plant contains compounds with antioxidant properties, which may help protect cells from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. The flowers can be tinctured fresh or dried, or they can be dried and used to make tea. It is said that the flowers blend well with other nervine herbs. The bark of the tree can be shaved and used fresh or dried to make a tincture, or the dried bark can be used to make a decoction. The powdered bark can be mixed with warm water or juice and consumed. However, for a more convenient option, you can take the capsules or tablets, but it's important to follow the recommended dosage instructions on the packaging. The leaves of the plant can also be dried and used as tea. For those who are interested, you can get the plant seeds to buy on Amazon. You can also get the plant to buy in the form of the flower tincture, the bark, loose leaves, and dried flowers, the flower extract in the form of capsules, flower and bark powder, and moisturizing cream. So if you'd like to take a look at these products, please click on the links in the description below. Using the plant along with sedative medications might lead to drowsiness. Avoid using it during pregnancy and breastfeeding. The seed poultice is said to be a strong poultice and should not be used for more than a few days at a time. It may interact with certain medications or have contraindications for certain health issues. Avoid using it in large doses as it may cause adverse reactions such as gastrointestinal discomfort, skin irritation, and allergic reactions. Consult with a qualified herbalist or healthcare professional before starting any herbal remedy. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific needs and health conditions. That's it for now, my beautiful people. I hope you found value in today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.